अनीता और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरा अपडेटेड 2023 5 स्टेप मॉनसून ग्लो अप रूटीन। सो गो अहेड, ग्रैब सम भजिया एंड सम चाय क्योंकि बारिश के मौसम में ये फूड कॉम्बो मस्ट है। पर यू नो द ड्रिल। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले सब्सक्राइब टू आवर बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल एंड रिंग द बेल आइकन ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो विद आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले मैंने मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन कर लिया है। आप भी मेकअप से पहले स्किन केयर जरूर करें क्योंकि इट विल हेल्प योर मेकअप सिट वेल ऑन द स्किन। अगर आपको अपडेटेड मॉनसून स्किन केयर रूटीन देखना है तो वो जो नोटिफिकेशन बेल रिंग करने मैंने आपको बोला था इन माय इंट्रो, वो बहुत जरूरी है बिकॉज दैट वे यू विल इमीडिएटली गेट नोटिफाइड व्हेन वी पोस्ट अ वीडियो। ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग इन विद अ प्राइमर। वैसे तो आई रेकमेंड अप्लाइंग प्राइमर इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द सीजन, पर मॉनसून के वक्त it especially helps to keep the makeup in place and also evens out patchy skin caused by humidity. Just a coin size amount of primer of your choice. Today I am using the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer. इसे लगाते वक्त spread it across your face from the nose and outwards. This primer is lightweight, sheer and can be layered easily. Plus, it delivers a hint of glow on the face as it is infused with luminescent pearls. As a tip, wait for a few minutes before you move on to apply your base product. अब बारिशों में सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न हमारा ये होता है कि अगर हम बेस लगाएंगे तो वो पिघलना नहीं चाहिए. No one likes those streaky base line. Plus, I hate having to put something that feels heavy and cakey during this season, which is precisely why मैं ये Lakme CC mousse prefer करती हूँ over a foundation. Dot the mousse all over the face and neck area. Blend it with your fingers or any other face tool you have. इस Lakme 9 to 5 cc mousse की फिनिश बहुत एयरी है. It also blurs imperfections and evens out your skin tone. This is the perfect base product for those no makeup day look. Now, while the base gets further absorbed into the skin, let me do the eyes. मेरे इस फटाफट रूटीन में I am not doing no blending of different eyeshadow colors. I need something that is quick and adds a pop of shine. So for that, I am going to use an eyeshadow stick. This is the shade Hawaiian Pink from the Lakme Absolute Eyeshadow Stick range. पर उससे पहले थोड़ा सा CC mousse eyelids पे डैप करो. Now this will act as a base for the eyeshadow to stick onto. I am going to apply this eyeshadow all over the eyelid. As you can see, it glides easily because of its smooth luxe texture. And then using a fluffy blending brush, I am going to buff out the edges. Trim the lower waterline as well and blend it out with a smudger brush. This is a super travel friendly product that can be used in different ways, which I am going to show you later on in the video. So stick around. Now to complete the eye look, I need a mascara and a kajal. Let me start with an iconic kajal cause it literally is. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Deep Black. Just trim the lower waterline. You can also tightline the upper waterline to add a bit of definition to the eye shape. Now what can I say about this kajal that I haven't already? So this kajal is actually waterproof, perfect for monsoon and will stay up to 22 hours. Just in case you didn't know about that. And finally, इस eye look को मैं complete करूँगी with a few coats of my favorite waterproof mascara. This is the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. The applicator is super easy to use and will help volumize each and every lash in a jiffy. Plus, monsoon के वक्त eye infections are super common. This mascara is actually ophthalmologically tested. Finally, I am going to complete this routine with a multi-purpose product, my most favorite, the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Fuchsia Suede. This is such a versatile product. You can literally make it work in so many ways. But first, let me show you how I line my lips. Yes, you can use this as a lip liner because it has a precise tip that helps carve out your lip shape. इसके बाद I'm going to fill the lip area with this fuchsia suede lip color. Gosh, this glides on so smoothly. I love the texture and feel of this product on my lips. I'm also going to apply it on my cheeks to add a bit of color to my face. I like to apply it by dotting on the sides of the temple, across the nose, all the way till I reach the other side of the temples. पर थोड़ा सा ही यूज करना क्योंकि a little goes a long way. अब इसे मैं blend करूंगी. And I'm done. Easy था ना ये look? Go ahead and give this 5-step monsoon glow up routine a try. जाने से पहले like and share this video with your besties and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. साथ ही बेल आइकन पे टैप करना ना भूलें. Bye.